Hello, pouring art people. If you notice that I'm in the same clothes today, I am batch recording, so please forgive me. And you will hear little kitties playing outside. It's hot and I have the garage door open, so try not to hold that against me. What I'm doing today is I'm doing another record that will be a clock. This one's for my daughter in colors that she specifically asked for. She didn't specify a background color, so I'm going to do this twice. Once on a black background, which I'm going to do first, and the second on a white background, and then I'm going to show them to her and see which one she likes best. So, with all that said, let me get you down on the record, and we will get started. Well, hopefully that dog barking isn't being picked up really well from my mic. We'll see. But the colors she wanted were orange, so I'm using Liquitex Basics Cadmium Orange, purple, and for that I am using Color Arts Prism Pour African Violet for some sparkle. She wanted bright green, so I'm using bright yellow green by Liquitex. She wanted a greenish blue color, so you know I'm going to default to my Color Arts Prism Pour Dark Waters for that. And then she wanted pink, and ordinarily I would use Macadam Magenta, but I'm pretty much out and didn't feel like buying pink this week, so I am using Pink Carnation, which is also a Color Art Prism Pour color. And I'm going to use a little bit of white. So, what orders do I want to lay these down? I think I'll do orange on the bottom. Let me test it and make sure it's out mixed. And then let's do purple next. I'm going to do the same thing. On purple. Do you want to come out like crazy or don't want to come out at all? And then let's do pink, green, and then the dark waters. Whoa! Every time I use this pink, it acts crazy. And this is an entirely different batch than the last one that acted crazy. So I've just got a gift for mixing crazy batches, I suppose. So let's see, orange, purple, pink. What did I say? Green, then dark waters.
Sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new. Yeah, I've been thinking of the parts I played.
Actually, let's do green, then white, then dark waters. Do I want white under the dark waters? Oh, I don't know what I want to do. Not even positive I want to use the white, but I'm going to. I just feel like the white's a nice cell maker, and since I'm not using any gold or silver, I don't have gloves on, so I'm using pink. over my hands. I'm going to pause and wash this off. Okay, I'm back. I have a love-hate relationship with black, by the way. It makes colors show up so vibrant, but it's just, I don't like working with it. It gets all over everywhere, and it may be all in my head, but it seems like it is harder to clean off than most other colors. Wow, y'all, that is psychedelic. If this pattern goes well, she's probably going to pick this one. I think she's going to love it. I have a feeling, without even seeing the white one, that the white one would be more my speed. But for my daughter, I think she'd like the black one better to see. Okay. Get some dark waters on here. Yeah, I'm not quitting my day job to go on American Idol. Speaking of, I work for a security company, and one of our nighttime operators, which is the people who monitor, they watch cameras over the internet while businesses are closed. What I do is I kind of do tech support and schedule service and that kind of thing. I don't have anything to do with the monitoring anymore. I used to monitor way back in the beginning because I had to. But anyway, one of the operators made it to the top 5 on American Idol this year. And I'm sad to say, I can't think of his name right now. It saved my life. You guys might be able to pull it into your head just by that. Fritz. Anyway, I never met him and didn't know anything about it until after he'd already quit to pursue his music career. And the office, the people who owned the building, came with his dad to see if we would give permission for them to, American Idol, to film some backstory in our office, which we did not because we're a security company. You know, it's just too much of a liability. We watch millions of dollars of equipment. So, but anyway, so that happened. I thought that was kind of cool, even though I don't know him. That's some of the operators I've met, but not most of them, because they come in at 6 and we generally leave between 5 and 6. Let's see, which way do I want to go? Those two are a little closer than what I like. Maybe I'll start over here and see if I can get this away from that. Kind of wondering if I shouldn't have gone heavier on the white. she wanted some yellow in there because, yeah, that happened. And I know I have black paint all over my left arm. Oh, this part I almost don't want to blow out. It's got these cute little cells in it. They're tiny, but they're so cute. I don't know.
I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try.
Trouble is trying to get it to fade out without fading into the black.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try.
I'm trying to get this to look kind of a little streakier since the petals aren't really flowing the way I want them to anyway. I'm trying to lose that petal look.
I'll give you my everything. Not much, but it's all I have. We could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like
I think I like that better. All right. I'm going to get you down for the close-up. And then I'm going to take a little break. And then I will do the white one, which will be posted most likely a week after I post this one. Okay, so here we go. It is pretty psychedelic. Look at that sparkle right through there. I love the shimmer.
I saw you from across the room.
Oh my goodness, look at that. That is just, oh my.
I could feel this
That is so gorgeous.
and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but
And it does have some cell action in there.
I know you.
Not as much as I think it would have had with no white in it. Because you know how white loves to create cells. It's got some lacing right there.
Wanna get to know you.
I mean, y'all, it's a really crazy pattern, but my gosh, the color and the sparkle look. Because the pink has a mica in it, the purple has mica in it. The purple almost looks blue right now.
Would you stay
And of course the dark waters, which is that aqua green color, that has my name. So it is just sparkling all over the place. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know what you think of this piece. Let me know what you think of painting on records and just repurposing stuff. Do you prefer canvases or do you prefer functional art? As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified when my videos come out on Fridays. And I will catch you later.